It's just so up in the air right now.
It's still up in the air.
Oh no, it's up in the air like always.
So it's all a little up in the air.
Straight up in the air.
That's up in the air.
Yeah, well, now it's all up in the air.
Now throw it up in the air.
Went up in the air.
I bet they're working their little fingers to the bone.
I work my fingers to the bone for you.
I worked my fingers to the bone to get these jumpy Protestants to love.
No, I nap because I work my fingers to the bone.
Streak of good luck.
You worked your fingers to the bone.
The first generation works their fingers to the bone, making things. Then you listen to me.
These kids have worked their little fingers to the bone.
My fingers to the bone, friend. So what?
While we work them to the bone.
Work our fingers to the bone. So, Mr.
Working fingers to the bone.
He's worked his fingers to the bone! Always done. I was couch potato girl even when I had a guy.
The couch potato's dream. Look at that. Three Stooges in Canton.
Listen, you couch potatoes.
Look, I know I wasn't marrying a couch potato and...
A human being is called a couch potato. A human being is called a couch potato.
He's saying it's couch potatoes.
Promise, I'm not going to become a couch potato.
Couch potato for a while.
What do you want from me? My only son's a couch potato.
You couch potato. Wake up.
Look, I know I wasn't marrying a couch potato and...
A bunch of out-of-shape couch potatoes.
Pretty much just go the extra mile.
He does usually go the extra mile.
But he's really going the extra mile.
Good for you for going the extra mile.
I go the extra mile.
I'm always willing to go the extra mile.
I'm talking about going the extra mile.
It's called going the extra mile.
I'm going the extra mile here.
No, you went the extra mile.
Others, we go the extra mile. Hi, Kevin Gates. Speaking of going the extra mile,
Then we need to go the extra mile.
Really hit the ground running?
Yes, if we can hit the ground running with the new system.
Sounds like you hit the ground running.
Hit the ground running with my
We kind of hit the ground.
We'll hit the ground running. Get to the pound fast.
Hit the ground running.
Yes.
Chop it up and hit it hard from the ground running. Just
Ground running. But right now, my...
hit the ground running.
For it, I have to hit the ground running.
I want to hit the ground running?
I'm gonna hit the ground running. Fine.
Really hit the ground running?
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to fight. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we